G'day everybody, Patrol Gaming, and welcome back to another reaction video. Well, I've got some Paul Cauthen. I've never heard of him. I only know this guy's name because of the last home free reaction I did. They said go check him out, so I did. And this one was actually sent to me on Facebook, funny enough, this link. And this one is called Prayed for Rain. So let's just jump straight in. Apparently he's very good, so let's jump in and listen. I'm sure it's loud enough so I can hear it. Prayed for rain.
You be back before nightfall, you hear?
Yes, Mama.
Shake off the pain, back on your feet again. Flooded when you prayed for rain, you prayed for rain.
Okay. Okay. God, he sounds so much like Johnny Cash. What the hell? Huh. Wow.
You be back before nightfall, you hear?
Yes, Mama.
Shake off the pain, back on your feet again. Flooded when you prayed for rain, you prayed for rain. The well's running dry,
Oof.
hell, so am I.
Just there,
I
that.
won't give up this time,
Wow.
not this time. 'Cause all my friends, we were born survivors. And every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming about tomorrow. You know some things will never change. I think about it when I pray for rain. The rain turned to hell, cold, dark, and pale. It beat me as I fell, Lord, I fell. The sun sets and twilight hugs the ground. What we wanted, Lord, it brings us down, bring us down. 'Cause all my friends, we were born survivors. And every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming about tomorrow. You know some things will never change. I think about it when I pray for rain. Oh, some things will never change. Think about it when you pray for rain. Pray for rain. Shake off the pain, back on your feet again. Flooded when you prayed for rain, you prayed for rain. Well, it's never too late. We'll have to wait. Well, it won't get me today, oh, not today. All my friends, we were born survivors. And every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming about tomorrow. You know some things will never change. I think about it when I pray for rain. Oh, some things will never change. I think about it when I pray for rain. 'Cause all my friends, we were born survivors. And every time we close our eyes, we're dreaming about tomorrow.
Wow. Wow. Okay. I liked it. I liked it. Some of when he's singing in his lower register, man, some of just the way he was sounding those words just sound. You close your eyes and you just imagine Johnny Cash singing that. Man, that was good. That was good. Great song. I know. It spoke to me. Obviously, living in Australia and Queensland, there's times when years go by and we're praying for rain, man. Praying so hard for rain. Our drought only broke end of last year after 7 years or something like that. So kind of praying for rain all the time, and then obviously we had the bloody bushfires, and then that devastated us as well. So we really, really were praying for rain then. God, everybody in Australia was praying for rain. But that was good. I enjoyed it. Definitely going to check out more from Paul. I loved his voice, especially in that lower register when he's starting off as well. I definitely want to see what more he's got as well too. So if you know any Paul songs, put them in the comment section. I definitely want to hear them too. So, but guys, hopefully you enjoyed it. That is a new artist, Paul, for the channel. As I said, suggestion from Tim from the last Home Free reaction. Definitely wanted to check it out, and I'm glad I did. Loved it. Definitely do some more. So let me see you down in the comment section. Come by and just say g'day. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And guys, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. That way you won't miss any of the uploads as well too. So guys, hopefully I'll see you there. Thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next reaction video.